Powerful multi-function screen, including intelligent detection, voltage monitoring, multiple custom adjustments, etc. High-quality batteries provide you with stable power supply and ultra-high cycle times. Self-developed BMS provides you with a safer and more stable use experience. Newly upgraded cloud platform management system, more convenient operation and more personalized experience. The universal pulley design provides you with more home installation and use scenarios, and facilitates your DIY scene design. Separate power supply and communication interface provide more convenient operation for parallel upgrade and reduce the complicated wiring steps in the parallel communication process. The ultra-large capacity provided by parallel connection provides a more lasting and stable power supply for your home and farm, bringing a better tomorrow for your life.